Today I'm gonna show you guys what's on my tech bag when I'm away. Stay tuned. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Dial Home Tech. I put together a list of 5 items that I'm taking with me when I'm away, and I want to share them with you guys along with some tips and some quick reviews. I'm not going to be going through all of the items and giving a lot of details, but I definitely want to give a few pointers and a few tips and tell you why do I choose to bring these items with me in the first place. Without any further ado, let's get started with the first item on my list and probably one of my favorite portable devices to take it with me when I'm away, and that is the DJI Spark drone. I purchased a drone back in 2017 when it first came out, and I still take it with me whenever I'm traveling, and it's one of the best things I can do to get some memories of me, my family, and some of the places where we go in order to save them and even put some videos together that we can share with our loved ones. Some of the hot ticket items on my list are the fact that it's not just portable, but it's very silent, so you can literally lift that off from anywhere you want without people just kind of going crazy thinking they're being filmed. They look at you and they literally think you're just playing with a little toy. Little do they know, this tiny little drone packs full HD 1080p capabilities and a 2-axis gimbal, which lets you fly with getting minimal shaking when you're getting your favorite footage. The battery life is just okay compared to some of the newer drones on the market right now for similar prices, but then again, this came out in 2017 when they were still working on smaller drones, so it's definitely a good little drone if you can find perhaps a used one or find one at a good deal. I'll leave a link to the one that I purchased right on the description in case you want to check it out. The next item on my list, it's a newly acquired air quality sensor. We take air quality sensors with us because of severe allergies that our son has to some of the environments, especially if it's a hotel with an old carpet. So we really want to make sure that he's safe and no irritations on his breathing. Some of these respiratory irritations and allergies can really take the trip upside down, so we rather check, be on the safe side, and mitigate any issues that we encounter while we're away. It's very important to us to take out yet another variable out of the way when we're traveling, and the importance of breathing good quality air, it's definitely on the top of our list when we're traveling with our family. If you haven't yet, check out the video right up here where I go through a full review and explaining some of the features found on the uHoo air quality sensor. The next item on my list is a tiny little tech item that saved me multiple times from leaving things behind. I'm talking about the Tile Pro. How many of you have never really left anything behind when you're traveling, whether it was your wallet or even a backpack, something that was important and you could have not left it behind? With the Tile Pro, you can track where your belongings are, and even if you have something inside of the hotel safe, you can place a tile inside of it, and before you leave the hotel, it'll remind you that you have left something behind, perhaps an important document, a passport, or even a valuable item. I, for instance, use it on my son's iPad to just prevent that we don't leave anything behind if he just put it up to charge without us even seeing or knowing that he was using it. The next item down, it's not really on my backpack, but really in my pocket, and that is the iPhone 11 Max Pro. It's not just a really good Apple device, but it's a great phone with amazing battery life and definitely the best camera I've ever used on a mobile device. With the unmatched camera on that phone, I've been able to not only record some amazing footage, but also take some really good pictures of me and my family when we're traveling. With a telephoto, wide, and now ultra wide camera, you have everything that you need to capture those special and awesome moments when you're away, right in your pocket, at your hand's reach. But not just that, it lets me stay in control and connected to all of my house and all of the smart devices I use to protect my house when I'm away. And last but not least is the Jabra Elite Active 65T earbuds. These earbuds are by far the best workout or active earbuds I have ever used before. They not only have a really great fit and stay in your ear when you need them to, but the sound quality on these little earbuds are definitely some of the best ones I've tried on the market so far. On the Jabra app, you have the ability to personalize your own mix when listening to music, as well as take advantage of fitness tracking capabilities that are built into each of the earbuds. I really enjoy them when I'm working out or I'm on the slopes, and also if I'm just kind of relaxing around, they have preset custom white noise sounds, nature sounds, so things that really help you relax while blocking what's around you. Well guys, there you go. That's my list, 5 of some of the items I take with me when I'm away. If you've enjoyed the video, found some of these items cool, I'm gonna leave the links right in the description, and also please give me a thumbs up if you found this useful. Also, here on this channel, I'm talking about home automation, smart home technology, and smart tech like the items I mentioned on this video today, and many more. So if that's interesting to you, please consider subscribing. Well, that's about it for today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out. I'll see you guys soon, and that's it for today. Until next time, I'm Dial. See ya.